right now. Got the troops on the yard. It looks like I'm one of the few leaving out. Let's get that pre-trip going. Gotta lift that hood, check the trailer. I see Midway get their trailers from Extra. Trailer lease or purchase place where you buy trailers. Let me get my and do this mother sucking pre-trip and be on my 100-mile jolly way, dog. 100 miles, baby. 100 miles. Get it delivered. Delivered on time, baby. Before time, on time. Time is the essence, baby. They make sure they keep these damn trucks clean. That's one thing I love about this company. They clean your trucks every Sunday for you. For real, dog. Look at that round. Look at that round. This damn XM radio, they be jamming. Let me turn it up for y'all. Y'all not move, baby. Tony Braxton still doing a thing. Hey. I'm in love again. I'll do whatever you want me to do. So in love with you. Without you, I give my heart, girl, I'm yours. Usually when I'm coming from off of home time, like I do my best to try to get to these places early so that way I can put my new clothes up, my clean clothes that I brought to wear, and maybe I can straighten up a little bit. Like I gotta change the sheet on this bed and fold my blanket up. I just try to get to my first place of the week early so I can kind of straighten up the truck. And like I said, trying to keep this truck together is a never-ending deal. Never-ending. I'm pretty much waiting for these people to open the door. And I got probably almost an hour. Let me try to get a little nap. Man, I know this place. It was hard trying to find this dang receiving office because, for people that don't drive trucks, you have to find the office to go into to give them your paperwork. And man, this place I had to drive all around just to find this dang door. But you see, I got a red light. So I'm backed in that joint, baby. My sister backed up in that joint. I gotta get some fuel. Yeah, baby. So I might as well get a couple Z's. Some of these places, they want you to take your airline off, and then their people to come out and put their lock on it to make sure that you don't pull out the door for safety reasons. All right, man, I had a tough time finding this thing, the door to go in for shipping. A sister got her back in there, honey. A sister got her back in there. Time to pick up this load. This load going, where is this load going to? This load going to New Jersey. Yes, this is going up to the New Jersey shoulder. So yeah, baby. 3 points of contact. 3 points. I hope this is good enough. Matter of fact, I gotta slide tandons. You slide your tandons because when they're going on and off the trailer can tend to dip. When you put your tandons, which are your two axles underneath the rear end of the trailer, it gives it stability to where it won't dip when they're coming down. But you always shock your wheels for safety. I don't even know why I just chopped my wheels and I got to slide my tandems. Sometimes they don't require you to slide them.
Let me get you to accept that work order for me.
Okay.
What Tyler? They was getting from 238.
This one, 255, 7, 20.5.
Look up, look at the paperwork right there.
Oh, okay.
I got the 238, and I got the tire number and all on it.
Pull around to the back. I'm gonna pull around to the back. We finally got a bay door. A lot of times when you come to a TA or a Love's or Pilot for work, I mean, sometimes they get you in and out, but most of the times you're gonna have to wait just like everybody else. Man, it seems like there's a lot of homeless people around here. There's a lot of homeless people. So let me back it on in, baby. This damn guy looking at me, but I be getting all kind of eyes on me, y'all. Y'all think I like attention, but I don't like the wrong attention. I do not like the wrong attention. I'm back in front of the door, or back in front of the door. Shoot, they got a damn bobtail sitting in there. Oh, Mr. Bobtail ain't gotta go nowhere because I'm gonna be blocking him, man. We gonna find out. You better tell me when to stop because I don't know. I don't know. Boom. Put it right there. That should be good enough. So as you see, you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do out here for parking. It gets really rough when, you know, a certain time of the night, whether it's just to do your 30-minute break or your 10-hour reset. Sometimes you have to fit in where you can get in, because when you run out of time, I mean, sometimes you can do a safe haven drive and let your dispatcher know that you drive a little bit over time just to find parking. But you try your best not to do that because you try your best to be legal with your logs. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. 30-minute break, baby. I know the guy here that's supposed to be unloading me. He was like, I already unloaded 2 trucks. I'm not unloading a 3rd truck. I'm not doing. You need to go talk to the boss. I was like, well, where's your boss at? He's back there, the one with the green hat. I'm gonna talk to the man with the green hat. I said, okay. So I go find his boss. I said, hey, I got a 1 o'clock appointment. I'm supposed to be here today. He was like, oh, let me see. Let me look at this thing right here. Oh, 1 o'clock, all right. Go out there and wait till 1 o'clock. He got to eat lunch, though. I said, all right. I said, so I walk past the guy. I say, hey, see you at 1 o'clock. All right, I got to go to lunch. I'm going to eat. He do not want to work today. Like, he one of them motherfuckers that be like, I ain't come to work. And what the fuck you come to work for? Just to damn leech out the motherfucking clock. Goddamn lazy ass fucking man. Lazy. All right, guys. Let's stay active. Our sister is active. Gotta keep that weight off, y'all. Come on, get moving. Come on. You can do it.